In this video, what I'm going to show you is how to enable guest access. There are some pros and some cons to guest access here in a moment that I will talk about, but let's first figure out how to actually turn the function on. First thing you're going to want to do is navigate to a course where you have instructor rights, and we're going to be working the administration block, which is typically on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you navigate to the course, you click on Edit Settings, and this will load a new window. And it's third from the bottom, you'll see an icon, a green text that says Guest Access. If you go ahead and click on that, it loads a new window, and it says Allow Guest Access. If I want to allow guest access, all I have to simply do is click on Yes, and then I have to set a password. And if right here you can see it already has a password. If I click unmask, it shows you exactly what it is. Keep in mind that all passwords are case sensitive. So in this particular case, since the password is my last name, Spidell, and the S is capitalized, anytime a guest would like to access my course, they will have to type in a capital S for the password. So if I want to enable guest access, I click on the drop down, click yes, set a password, hit save changes, and now I have enabled guest access. So what is guest access? Guest access allows individuals who do not have an LCPS login, meaning that they cannot log on to an LCPS computer, access to your course. So for example, if you have a parent who wants to peek into your course to see what homework assignments they're given, what's going on in the course, where you are, things like that, you can enable guest access, send them the link, which is right up here at the top of the screen, send them a link to your course, and then tell them what the guest access password is, and they can access your course. The next thing that you want to do is um, make sure that you understand what guest access also does. Guest access also does not display student content. So for example, if you had a discussion forum like I have right here, and there were students participating in that discussion forum, they wouldn't be able, the guests would not be able to see any of the data in that discussion forum. They also don't see any grades or anything like that. So that is what guest access does and how you can actually set it up.